this pepper tree. It's a nice pepper tree. A long time I'm not giving you an update. But a nice pepper tree, yeah. I think this is a sweet pepper tree because the leaf them darker than the rest. That one here. Yeah, them one here. And them are grow young pepper and them have young pepper. See, look, see there? Small little one there. Right there, so. And wait. Yeah. See one little plant there. See there? Them have a young pepper. But I have to wait till they get big for sure if a sweet pepper or what. But I think a sweet pepper there in one here because the leaf them dark. Alright, I'm not if I say go. But yeah. And then you have that big tall one here. One here big. And then look at this one. Have two big peppers on it. See there? My two big pepper. Tell you. You still miserable, mama? But my problem now, I got a problem with that melon tree here, you know. Because look on that big melon here. Melon with that big by now, you know. But it start get blighted, it spoil. Because when the man a cut the yard, he did a run come all the way over here, and him did have to lift it up and put back over here, so we couldn't even weed it out properly, but because he got trouble the tree, it's like it blighted and the melon start rotten. See there? The melon, look how far the melon reach. And it's like the melons, it gets spoiled now. So it just I go stay this and rotten it now get no bigger. It burn me. And they must say when you can't trouble melon tree. When it's a beer, you can't touch it because it will blighted. And that's exactly what happened. And a two melon did depend in one, next one did somewhere over yes, and it two of them start rotten because then go lift up the tree and put it back over here. So sure.